parliamentary panel has slammed the merger of Air India and Indian Airlines, saying that it was done in haste. Air India has, of course, been ailing for quite some time. It's going to lose more than 5,000 crore rupees this year.
An incompatible marriage, an ill-conceived and erroneous merger. That's the verdict on the Air India merger by a panel of MPs who examined the merger process of the national carrier. The airline is currently making losses of nearly 5,500 crores a year. The parliamentary panel says the government should immediately cut losses by asking Air India and Indian Airlines as independent entities, even though they belong to one parent company. The panel, without directly naming Praful Patel, slammed the ministry. They said the committee would like to be apprised of the agencies or individuals responsible for taking such a whimsical decision and urge suitable action so that such decision leading to intangible loss to a PSU does not recur. The Civil Aviation Minister did not respond to the findings of the report. However, earlier when a parliamentary panel led by Sitaram Yechuri had pointed out that the merger was done in a haste, the Civil Aviation Ministry had argued that the decision was cleared by a group of ministers headed by Pranab Mukherjee and the cabinet.
I don't react and respond to the parliament report. They have full right to make their observations.
Well, you see, the final approvals are given by the cabinet and the group of ministers. People who are doing the actual work at the grassroots will have to answer these questions.
The proposal was made by Accenture, a corporate consulting company, based on the idea of creating synergy on the ground. But as most agree, it was a good idea, but poorly implemented.
Air India incurs a loss of 350 crores every month. And just a couple of days back, the Civil Aviation Minister explained it to Parliament that it would take the government some time to turn around Air India. Now the Minister may well have to answer if his own ministry was responsible for increasing these losses. In New Delhi, Sandeep Kukan, NDTV.
Tuba.com